Today I'm going to show you how to put a roll of 35mm film into a film camera. And in this episode of How to Use, we are using the old-fashioned Zenit EM. So, let's get the video started. Now, I'm going to have to try and do this backwards, upside down so you can see. So you pull the film over until it's mostly out like this. And then there's a little pin right in here. And you just slide it in like that. And then what you do is you wind... Oh, damn it. Hold on. Oh, damn. Fucking hell. Alright, sorry. For a little bit of a temper there. So, I finally got it into the pin, so it should look like this. And then what you're going to do is just push it in a little more. And then you just disengage the shutter. And then you just turn it once. Snap a photo. And then turn it again. And then you finally close it. You bring it up to your eye. And you focus on what you want to take a picture of. In this case, I'm doing you. And that's how you put film into an old Zenit EM. I hope you enjoyed, guys, and I'll see you in the next video tutorial. Bye, everyone. See you later.